I can't make comment on election policing. I will only just say it depends on whoever is in charge at the time. I've had the opportunity of being involved in free and fair election. Under President Jonathan, I had my second tenure. And I went to him as the president and said, Mr. President, I don't want one vote that is not belonging to me to be recorded for me, and I don't want one vote to be recorded for another person. Just ask the INEC chairman, police officers, and people coming here for this election, for interest of peace, let them do free and fair election. And I have so many people to bear that witness. Even when his own party people, PDP, came to my state, I called him and said, Mr. President, I'm in my village. I don't want people wandering around in my state. I voted and I'm in my village. I heard so and so people are in my state. They are not from this state. They should leave this state. And within few minutes, he called them and they left the state. I said, please, let them count the result. So when we talk about election, it depends on the human being that is involved. If the right person is involved, we have free and fair election. But if people decide that we have to leave off the situation we have, where we have become a crime scene, and we are chasing criminals, the criminality will start from the politicians doing the right thing. If we want to talk about security, talk about anything, when we stop stealing as public officers, the children and all those criminals will equally learn from us. And as policing would even do their work better. Election policing is easy if we have people who are not ready to steal the elections.